Decoding words with context clues. Hello, English language learners. Today, we're diving deep into an incredibly valuable skill: using context clues to decode unfamiliar vocabulary. If you've ever been reading and stumbled across a word you didn't know, context clues are your secret weapon to figuring it out without even touching a dictionary. Context clues are hints or pieces of information that an author provides in the surrounding sentences or paragraphs which can help you decipher the meaning of an unfamiliar word. Think of them as the helping hands within the text. They're there, subtly guiding you towards understanding without explicitly defining the word for you. There are several types of context clues, and identifying them can be a game changer. 1. Definition, explanation clues. The writer directly provides the definition of the unfamiliar word. For instance, an arboretum, a place where trees and plants are grown for study, was located in the heart of the city. 2. Synonym clues. The writer provides a synonym, a word with a similar meaning, for the unfamiliar word. Example: the students had a querulous tone. They were always so complaining about the homework. 3. Antonym, opposite clues. The author presents an antonym or shows contrast. Like, while Joe was timid, Jack was outgoing and confident. 4. Example clues. The author offers examples that give hints to the word's meaning. There were many aquatic creatures at the beach, such as fish, crabs, and seahorses. 5. Mood, tone clues. The overall mood or emotions of the passage can hint at a word's meaning. The room was somber, with everyone whispering and many eyes filled with tears. 1. Read around the word. First, read the sentence that contains the unfamiliar word. Then read the sentences before and after it. The wider context often holds the clue. 2. Ask questions. Ask yourself, what could this word possibly mean based on what's happening in the text? 3. Guess, then check. Based on the clues, make an educated guess about the word's meaning. Then read the sentence replacing the unfamiliar word with your guessed word to see if it makes sense. 4. Practice regularly. The more you practice using context clues, the better you'll get at it. And there we have it. Using context clues is like being a detective, picking up hints and piecing them together to solve the mystery of an unfamiliar word. Remember, the more you read and actively practice this skill, the better you'll become. We hope this video helps illuminate your path to vocabulary mastery. Until next time, happy reading!